Lord have mercy, Lord have mercy. Oh, man, what a week in the stock market for my Charles Schwab individual stock portfolio account. Man, not a good week, but hey, it's been plenty of good weeks here, so it's bound to happen. It's bound to come back, keep you grounded a little bit. So in this video, we're going to look at my performance for this week. That's the week of December 5th through December 9th, 2022. We're going to look at my Charles Schwab individual stock portfolio account and see how well or how bad it did. First thing we want to look at is this number. You never want to see red. You always want to see green, at least I do. And this account lost $236.71 this week. Started off good. I added some money to the account, and that's what this dotted line is. That's why you see the spike. But also the stock market did good, and then as we went through the week, it kind of tailed off and ended the week in the negative. The beginning value was $5,137.70. I added $300 to this account, and lo and behold, I ended up losing $236.71, which gives us the grand total of almost $5,300, just 1 penny off. I'll go ahead and reach in my pocket and donate that extra penny, get that up to $5,300. But bottom line is I lost money this week, even though I added money. So we gotta keep that in mind. Those results could be like, hey, hold on, I thought you lost money. Why is this total balance higher than that? Well, that's because I contributed money from my other account to fund this account, and then unfortunately it lost money this week. So down $236 for this particular week, and that's the ending value. The rate of return was almost 4.5%, 4.47%. As you see, I'm not alone. Some of the other common indexes perform pretty much the same way, probably not as bad as mine. That's what the light blue line is. And you see the different colors matching up the different common indexes here. If we look down here, again, we see that my account lost 4.47%. This week, the only one that performed worse than mine was the Russell 2000. The Russell 2000 had a good run there for a little bit, but here lately, these past few weeks, I've kind of been underperforming or not performing that great. The S&P 500 was down 3.35%. Dow Jones Industrial Average down 2.74%. Then the NASDAQ 3.31%. So all the common indexes were down this week. Mine was down almost as much as everybody else besides the Russell 2000. So on one hand, it makes me feel okay because ain't nobody else. What was going on with my portfolio when everybody else was making money? Well, that wasn't the case. Everybody was down, as you see in that visual there with all the different color lines and the different color common indexes. So we can't win them all. As John Denver used to sing, some days are diamond, some days are stone. These days that compose of this week from December 5th through December 9th were stone for the most part. But it's all right. That's how it goes in the markets sometimes. And hey, it's been a few weeks of really good performance. Well, good performance. I wouldn't say really good. But so you just have to take this all in stride. Know that you'll be better in the long run. We already hit our goal. If you've been watching these videos, you know that $5,000 in this account by the end of 2022 was the short-term goal, with the big long-term goal of $100,000 in this brokerage account when all said and done. So we're ahead of that goal. We exceeded that goal, actually. We have $5,200, and it's just not even mid-December yet. So very pleased. Can't complain. I've seen this account be this low before, and it comes back. So it remains to be seen what the future holds for this account. That's why you need to stay tuned and tune in. And that's why, if you like this video, you want to hit that like button. And if you want to keep up with this journey of this particular portfolio account, as well as get all kinds of videos on how to make money, save money, and invest money so you can make money work for you and you not have to work for your money. And so that way you can live life on your own terms and work because you want to, not because you have to. Well, then I appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and you'll get all the latest videos as soon as they're published. All right, hopefully your finances are going well. Hopefully these videos help you in terms of making money and your finances, improve your financial situation. All the best and take care.